Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's session, we will be exploring the quality of empathy, delving into the power of realizing our interconnectedness. However, before we begin that exploration, take a bit of time to draw your awareness to this present moment. Straighten the back, release the shoulders, and then close your eyes to soften the outside world. Take a deep breath in and out, becoming more attuned to however you arrived here today. Note what stories might be lingering in your mind, and then gently release them on your next exhalation. Soften the forehead and the jaw, observing how this physical release shifts your innermost experience. And then take a few moments to settle even deeper alongside the breath, inviting it deep into the base of the belly on a count of 4. And then letting the breath go for another count of 4. Deep breath in for 4. And then back out for 4. Allow both heart and belly to expand on each inhalation and to soften on each exhalation. Take a few more moments to follow this breath pattern, feeling into the heart space as you breathe. The heart is the energetic center of our love. It holds both our ability to give and to receive love, connecting us to everything that we encounter in this world. Through the heart, we deepen our ability to love one another. And among other things, the heart is the place through which empathy is felt and expressed. Put simply, empathy is our ability to feel, understand, and share the feelings and experiences of another. Doctor and psychotherapist Alfred Adler said that empathy is seeing with the eyes of another, listening with the ears of another, and feeling with the heart of another. When we are empathetic of the experience and feelings of another, the divide between them and ourselves softens, reconnecting us to our shared humanity. To be empathetic does not mean we must agree with the views of another, nor does it require us to pardon unkind or cruel behavior. Practicing empathy simply asks us to see where another is coming from, to understand or feel the very human fears and yearnings that underpin one's experience. We can practice empathy when we are in a heated discussion, just as much as we can express it when we are an outside observer of another person's experience. The challenge will vary according to the situation, but through practice, it becomes easier to find the common ground we all stand on. To dive further into this exploration, take a moment to come back to the natural rhythm of your breath. Allow it to recenter you in this present moment. And then draw to mind the image of someone you know who is going through a difficult time. If there are any stories or judgments present in your mind about this person or their situation, let those be released on each exhalation. Turn instead towards the beauty and humanity of this being you are witnessing. In cases where the feelings of the other cause you difficulty or discomfort, you may observe a tightness forming in the body or a resistance rising in the mind. Be mindful of these if they arise, and continue to soften where it feels natural to do so. Can you sense the raw emotion and felt experience of this person? Can you hold their experience in your heart without being consumed by it? Simply witness what is here, and then silently offer your love to this individual and their situation. Spend a few more moments on your own, honoring the humanity of this person held in your mind's eye. As the separation between you and them softens, both hearts grow a little wider, moving towards peace, happiness, and wholeness. Silently offer your final well wishes to this person. And when you are ready, allow the image of them to fade. Draw your attention to your breath as you return to this present moment, observing the ebb and flow of its current. And then broaden your awareness to include the floor beneath you, the sounds around you, and the air against your skin. Take one final breath here. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you again.